Hi neighbors, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Welcome back. Today I am out in the garden potting up some citronella plants. Now this is a plant called citronella, although I've just learned this is not true citronella. This is a geranium that produces citronella. True citronella is a lemongrass, would look like grass. But this is a plant that the leaves do produce citronella. If you sort of rub the leaves, you will see it produces this citrusy, lemony aroma. And that is supposed to repel mosquitoes. So people tend to put these on their porches and their patios to help repel mosquitoes during the summer months. But you do have to do this and just ruffle the leaves when you come out onto the patio, and that will release the aroma. We also use citronella candles and things like that. And of course the other thing is to avoid having standing water anywhere in your garden. But these are a lovely plant. I do like the citrus aroma, and it is a flowering plant. It's a geranium. Let me get in close so you can see. There it is. It's got a couple of flowers. You can probably see it right there. There's a couple blossoms just getting ready to pop out. So it's a nice little pink geranium, and so they look nice too. And so we're going to split this up. Now here at the Ponderosa, as you know, we're always cost conscious. We're always budget conscious in our gardening. So what we do is we look for, when we buy potted plants, we look for ones that have multiple plants. This one has two different citronella plants, so I'm going to split this into two and plant the other one into this pot so we can have one on the patio and one out in Tuscany, where we often have meals during the summer, or just relax. And hopefully that will keep the mosquito population down while we're out there. I've already had a few encounter with our fine little six-legged friends, so I'm trying to avoid getting bitten anymore this summer. All right, so I've got this really nice ceramic pot here, and it's already got some dirt in it. I'm going to remove some of that dirt so that we have some space. All right. Oh, and just for old time, I've got my gloves. I've got a trowel to dig with. This is some starter fertilizer, just a little bit to get these guys over the shock of transplanting, and of course some water. Okay. So let me dump a little of the soil out for now. There we go. And let's see what's in here. So here's the tag. Actually, I'll show you this. It was on sale. It was $4 off. A total of $13 for two plants. Still pretty expensive, but we tried to grow some from seeds and we didn't have any success. So we're going with the potted plants. All right, let's see what's in here. Quite dry. I probably should have soaked it before we split it up. Oh, and then it is really root bound. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this apart. These are seriously root bound. I think they're going to be larger containers. All right, so let's get some soil in here. Oh, get that over here. That in there. Let's pour some of this, just some starter fertilizer in there. That guy's okay. Let's put a little mulch on top of that. Let's put a little mulch on top of that. There we go. I really want to soak it. Really soak that in. Because that root ball was really dry. There, well, that one's nice. This one's going to go on the patio. Whoops. I'll have to clean that off, though. And this one will go over in Tuscany. So let's go put those out there now. All right, nice citrusy aroma. I think we are ready for the summer. Try it yourself. Plant some citronella and see if it works. Let us know what you think. In the meantime, thanks for watching another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.